Are you interested in investing in cryptocurrency, but feel overwhelmed by all the different terms and metrics? You're not alone. One term you'll see thrown around a lot is FDV, or fully diluted valuation. It's a crucial concept to understand, especially when it comes to projects like Newton. So what exactly is FDV and why does it matter? Let's dive in. What is FDV? Thinking phase. Think of FDV as a crypto project's maximum potential market cap. It's a simple calculation, the current price of a single token multiplied by the maximum total supply of that token. This is different from the typical market cap, which only considers the circulating supply. A token's circulating supply is the number of tokens currently available and trading on the market. The total supply, on the other hand, is the total number of tokens that will ever exist. In many crypto projects, new tokens are released over time. These tokens might be held by the team, reserved for future developments, or used as rewards for staking and other activities. For example, if a token has a current price of 10 cents, a circulating supply of 10 million, and a max supply of 100 million, its current market cap is $1 million, 10 cents x 10 million. Its FDV, however, is $10 million, 10 cents x 100 million. This huge difference is why FDV is such a critical metric. It gives you a complete picture of the project's valuation, not just its current one. Why FDV matters for Newton Moneybag. Now, let's talk about why this is particularly important for Newton, and its tokenomics. Newton has a massive total supply of 100 billion new tokens. However, the circulating supply is currently much lower. This means there's a significant portion of tokens yet to be released. These tokens will be gradually unlocked over time, primarily through a process known as staking rewards. Participants who stake their new tokens to help secure the network receive additional new as a reward. As these tokens are unlocked and enter circulation, it creates what's often called sell pressure. Imagine a flood of new tokens hitting the market. If demand doesn't keep pace with the increasing supply, the price per token could decrease. This is why looking only at Newton's current market cap can be misleading. A low market cap might seem attractive, but the high FDV tells you there's a lot of potential supply waiting to enter the market. FDV provides a more realistic valuation and helps you understand the long-term potential and risks of your investment. It forces you to ask key questions. How big will the market for this project need to be to support its FDV? What is the token release schedule? How will the new supply affect the price? When you evaluate a project like Newton, you're not just betting on its current valuation, you're betting on its fully diluted valuation. Understanding this metric helps you make a more informed decision and avoid any unwelcome surprises down the road. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.